This is my 1991 Chevrolet WT 1500 Cheyenne. I have some aftermarket wheels and tires on it that are pretty sweet. I need a new paint job. As you can see, the hood's all messed up, so is the roof. And it's a pretty cool truck. I like it. And it's fun to drive around. The interior of it isn't the greatest, but I'm hoping to get new seats and stuff for it pretty soon. There's rubber floor mats in here because it's a work truck, and the radio works. It's just that the speakers are blown out of it. This one's all messed up and like rusted out, and the other one's just not in it at all. And that's my truck.